What's good, YouTube? I'm with the boys right now. We're at IHOP. We're waiting for the rest of the gang to show up. I don't know where they are right now, but we're gonna eat IHOP and then we're gonna head towards the event. The rest of the game pulled up. We got Joseph, Tricky, and Gordon. Look at this fatty, bro. You got the Oreo.
Gordon Lee munching.
Bro, finish your plate. Yo, Justin, zoom in on this, bro. Look how much he's wasting.
Look, I cleaned this plate. Look at these people wasting their food. Oh, you too, yeah.
This guy hasn't even touched his pancakes, bro.
Bro, he has his Oreo waffle with hash browns and ketchup. And an orange juice.
It's nothing personal, bro.
We just ate. We're gonna head to our cars now and go to the event, right? Ready, boys?
Yes, sir.
We got in the parking lot. We met up, but we're waiting for the others. I don't know where the other people are. Woo! I'm on FaceTime with the boys right now.
Are we sure we're gonna get in by 11?
Yeah, it's fine. We got time. That's why I told you. That's why I said I wanted to come earlier, but. We just got, we went the wrong way, so we have to go all the way back around. So, we low-key might just run this. But apparently, the line's really long, that's what our friend said. I'm not sure, so we gotta see what happens. We're walking around the building right now. Look what we found. STO.
It's right there. The buildings and shit?
Yeah, this line, bro. Nah, at least we got people waiting for us. But alright, now we gotta find these people. I legit just found them. Right when I closed it, like last clip. Look at these guys. Damn, bro, this line's hella long.
Dude, it's so long.
Yeah. We're waiting in this long ass line. I can't believe we went the wrong way. It's kind of.
Where does the one lead up to?
I don't know. I think we go downstairs. Yeah, we go downstairs to the entrance over there. But we're getting closer. You can see that's where they start and do the burnout stuff. But there's still a long line.
This guy's literally running for his life right now.
Who? Oh yeah, freaking Gordon went to the car because he forgot his umbrella. So like. Did he steal your car?
Yeah, he stole my car.
Uh-oh.
It's gone. It's on the chase right now.
Rip to the X5.
Yeah. No, squeeze X5 is no more.
Yeah.
We just got in. We're inside. After that long line. But we gotta scan our tickets now, so. Alright, we made it in. Woo! Yeah. You're gonna cop that?
Oh, we gotta cop this shit.
You gonna cop that? Yo!
Gordon, go get that one, bro.
There's another one. It's SR.
You got SR in the Skyline?
I don't think it is.
Is it SR?
I think it's RB.
Oh.
25.
With the Apex C rotary. That's a Dorito engine. We got Ben Hobson's RTR. Sick, bro. Too bad he didn't get past the CD brackets. I really wanted this dude to be in the top 32, so that's sick though. King Carney's camp. What's that? Oh, it's the SF90. No, it's a 296. 296 is for the Ferrari challenge, right?
296 challenge. They took the hybrid system out and made it a little more powerful naturally.
Damn, bro.
This has no hybrid.
It's not hybrid?
It's not hybrid. That's what she's.
Fourth induction or NA? Fourth induction or NA?
Dean Carney. Posting up. The 2J? Forrest Wang. We saw this car at Erindale.
It's supposed to be like that.
Forrest Wang. He's right there. Got Adam LZ's car. Holy, look at this thing.
Look at the
V12.
Bro, I still got the Ferrari brakes too.
Bro, this is fire.
It's
Bro.
probably just the calipers though.
It's like a Forza build, bro.
Josh's type build.
Yo, is that a Supra?
Is that Supra?
I think it's a Supra. What do you think?
I think it's a Supra.
Yeah. Damn.
That is a huge.
Bro,
No, that's a V8. See it, bro? Dorito. Got the Dorito engine. Got Daniel Stuckey. Chris Forsberg's camp. We saw his 240Z right earlier. I'm about to get this signed. Got Ryan Turk with the B58. B58, and we got Osbo's.
we got double B58.
We got Osbo's Supra too.
Will?
Oh, I don't know, bro. We got these cool keychains.
Shift knob.
Look at
This is nice.
look at these, bro. These ones actually like the best.
Oh, feel the shift knob.
Shift knob.
It's looking heavy. It's nice.
We got the Xavier Wolf 240, right?
Pulled up S13 and caught my hood.
GTR. So many people. Look at this dude's.
They got a sim on the car.
What is? Yeah,
They got a-
tablet, bro.
They got a sim in the car, bro.
It's sick, bro. Yo, these are. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of those. I'm not gonna lie.
No, neither am I.
Oh, or blind, bro. Look at this. Look at this.
Is it carbon fiber?
Yeah, look at that carbon. Look at that. It's full it's blue carbon, bro. It's so nice. But you can barely tell. It's actually sick. You can see that. You can see that.
Cool.
The thread. It's actually sick. Huh?
Maybe, probably.
It's Greddy. I mean, Greddy makes engine parts, so full carbon fender. Look at that. Beautiful, bro. God damn, bro. We got the. What is this called? That's what it's called. Bro, we got the. It got the TEs on the Ferrari.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like the best SUV from Ferrari. Basically,
It's a wagon. Look, the cat on the 86. Got the Supra GR86. We got Larry Chen's the camera car that he uses, and the GR Corolla. Going across the track right now. Look at that. We're on the track.
Look at the rubber on the
This is a Mustang experience, dude. There's a whole crowd here. I hope we don't get, but like, it's fine. Yeah, but last, I think before they used to have a meet here, like with a bunch of cars, but too bad. Yeah, too bad that they're not doing this anymore. But it's sick. It's just regular people revving it, bro. I want to do that. This guy does not have his license yet, bro. But like, he's gonna rev the car. Bro, he's letting him try all the ones, bro. What? I only got to try one.
Into that first outside zone. Let's see if we can get out there. And
It's starting to rain. Track's getting a little wet. Let's see what happens. Ryan Turk's trunk open, man! What the hell? Bro, what the? Bro's wearing a whole poncho, bro. What is? Oh, she got fucking shirt, bro. Fucking protection. She got a condom on herself.
but now it's gonna be a
What? Yeah, landing here. We're gonna take a piss real quick. Not together. Not together. Yeah. It's not like that. It's not like that. Hey, yo, pause. Is that a settle? Oh shoot, they're on a settle right now. At the Fun Hazard. It's starting to rain. We're waiting for other homies. We gotta squad back up, but it's raining. People are packing up because it's. Yeah, I don't know what's happening to the event right now. We're not there right now, but yeah, it's starting to get a little wet. We got that field. We're gonna start out the 296. We just sat back down. My ass is hella wet. But I don't know where everyone else is going. Look at these boys. Wait, what about Joseph? Oh, Joseph has a hoodie. Huh? Yo, I hope the stuff in my bag doesn't get wet, bro. Cause I got some Hot Wheels in there. I got some. Oh, look at these clouds, yo. I'm so wet right now. It's pouring. Look at everyone, bro. Look at it. Look how wet I am. Look at this water. Yo, bro. That was crazy, bro. It's so wet. You got the E92. Yo, I think that might be a Supra, yo. Is that a Supra?
I don't know. I think it's a GR86.
Nah, yeah, it's a GR86, yeah. Boy, so we're leaving the event right now. It's scenic ass sunset, bro.
Bro, show them. Look at that shit.
You know, rainbow. Back to our cars. Yo, what the hell is this, bro? What the? Bro, what? Bro, this golden type cars for real, bro. It's wild. We just made it into the. We're gonna eat tonight. We're gonna eat good. We're gonna eat Raising Cane's. I just saw. Yeah, he pulled up right here. Mr. Tricky. Mr. Tricky. Let's see what this is.
Yo, do you see this guy?
What?
He's like fucking doing a 3-point backhand, bro.
Right next to the RSX.
I know. Oh my god. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? Excuse me, did you do?
I am recording you. You hit my car. You hit my car. Don't. Yo. All right, boys. We just came back. We made. Yo, Josh.
What's up?
We're like, how's the event? Good. Alright, we're about to eat good. This fatty, bro. This fatty's taking his fries while he has a whole meal still. What the? That's wild, bro.